Welcome to the effects of violence and trauma and stress on student learning. I'm Joni Hauerstadt and I will be your instructor for this course. This course is designed to help you teach students affected by stress, by trauma, or by violence. You will learn the signs and symptoms of childhood stress and trauma and how to support students in resolving it. We will discuss the factors that exist in families where there is domestic violence and the effects of school, community, and violence on student learning. We will also discuss the effects that exposure to media violence has on student behavior and their learning. Stress and trauma affect brain development and therefore learning and school performance. The effects include influences on cognitive, social emotional, physical, and language development. This course will help you understand the special learning needs that a student who has been affected by stress, trauma, or violence brings to your classroom. This course also discusses the supports that are necessary in order for these students to be successful in school and later on in life. The course objectives are, first, to understand the educator's role in accommodating students to be successful. 2, to learn the symptoms of stress, trauma, and violence, and to understand how they affect the student's cognitive, behavioral, social, emotional, learning, physical, and language development. 3, to understand domestic violence in families, the community, and in schools, and why it occurs. And fourth, to understand and learn to accommodate the special learning needs that these students who have been exposed to stress, trauma, or violence bring into your classroom. You will learn some intervention techniques that are applicable to your classroom, as well as strategies for teaching violence prevention. For those of you who have been personally affected by violence, extreme stress, or trauma, do not be surprised if some of the topics of this course bring back negative memories. If this occurs, make sure you take good care of yourself by recognizing your feelings, by talking with a trusted friend or professional, and by engaging in stress-reducing activities such as getting plenty of rest and exercise.